Your pots are quietly killing your plants every single summer, and it has nothing to do with the heat. Here is the truth. Most container plants don't die from sun. They die from wet feet. That's when roots sit in soggy soil for too long and they just rot away. You water them because you love them, and that love is actually drowning them. Scary, right? Stick with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you 10 tough plants that laugh at hot sun, heavy rain, and even total neglect. And I'm saving the toughest one, the plant I call the comeback king, for last. This one has survived weeks without water in my own backyard. You won't believe it. Let's start with plant number 1. Sedum, also called stonecrop. The problem, you go on a 2-week trip. You come back and your flowers are brown and crispy. Sad, right? Here's the proof. Sedum stores water right inside its thick, fat leaves. Think of each leaf like a tiny water balloon. So when the soil dries out, the plant just sips from its own leaves. No rain for 2 weeks? Sedum does not care one bit. The solution? Plant it in regular potting soil. Water it once, then forget about it. Only water again when the soil feels totally dry. But wait, plant number 2 is even lazier than this one. Number 2 is hens and chicks. The problem? You think you need a green thumb to keep succulents alive. Most people kill them by loving them too much. The proof? These little rosette plants grow in rocky mountains in the wild. Their roots are built to handle almost no water and rough weather. Extra water is actually more dangerous to them than no water at all. The solution? Use a pot with a drainage hole. Water once a month in summer. That's it. Walk away and let it be. Plant number 3 might shock you the most because it looks so delicate. Daylily. The problem? You think pretty flowers mean fussy plants that need constant care. The proof? Daylily roots are shaped like little fingers holding water underground. This lets them survive both flooding rain and dry heat waves in the same summer. That's why you see them growing wild along highways with zero care. The solution? Plant in any container with drainage. Water when soil is dry. Cut off dead flowers if you want, but even if you don't, it still blooms again next year. Number 4 is coneflower, also called echinacea. The problem? Bees and butterflies vanish from your yard because most flowers can't handle full blazing sun all day. The proof? Coneflower has deep, strong roots, even in a pot. These roots pull moisture from deep down, so the plant stays strong even in a heat wave. The solution? Give it at least 6 hours of sun. Water only when the top inch of soil is dry. Let the flower heads dry out and fall. Birds will thank you for the seeds. Now here's mistake number 1 that kills almost every container perennial, and I bet you're doing it right now. Using a pot with no drainage hole. Water pools at the bottom, roots sit in mud, and the plant slowly rots. Always check for a hole before you buy any pot. This one fix alone will save more plants than anything else in this video. Number 5. Russian sage. The problem? Your yard smells like nothing and bugs seem to avoid your flowers. The proof? This plant has silver, fuzzy leaves. That fuzz reflects sunlight and locks in moisture, so it barely sweats in the heat. It also releases a light scent that pollinators love, but pests hate. The solution? Plant in a big pot, at least 12 inches wide. Full sun. Water sparingly. Trim it back in early spring for a fuller plant. Number 6. Black-eyed Susan. The problem? Late summer comes and your pots look empty and sad. The proof? This flower blooms strongest exactly when other plants are worn out for heat. Its roots are used to poor, rough soil, so rich, fancy soil is not even needed. The solution? Regular potting mix, sun, and water, only when dry. It will keep blooming right through the hottest part of summer. Number 7. Yarrow. The problem? Rainstorms flatten your flowers and they never bounce back. The proof? Yarrow has feathery, fern-like leaves that let heavy rain slide right through, instead of weighing the plant down. Its roots also spread wide, gripping the soil so wind and rain can't knock it over. The solution? Full sun, any pot with drainage. Water only during long dry spells. We're getting close to the comeback king, but first, 2 more tough plants you need to know. Number 8. Lamb's ear. The problem: kids and pets trample your plants, and you think that's the end of them. The proof: the soft, fuzzy leaves are actually thick and tough underneath. Light damage barely bothers this plant because it grows back fast from its base. The solution: any container, full or partial sun. Water lightly. Kids can touch the soft leaves. It's part of the fun. Number 9. Catmint. The problem: your flowers fade fast in the hot afternoon sun. The proof: catmint has small leaves, which means less surface area losing water to heat. That's simple science: less leaf, less water lost. The solution: full sun, water when dry. Trim after first bloom for a second round of flowers. And finally, number 10, the comeback king, Sedum Autumn Joy. This plant can go without water for almost a full month and still bounce back green and healthy. It survives blazing heat, pounding rain, and being forgotten in the corner of your porch. If you only try one plant from this list, make it this one. If this video saved you from killing another plant this summer, subscribing to Chill Harvest Garden means you'll never waste money on dead plants again. You'll join thousands of relaxed gardeners who spend less time worrying and more time enjoying their yard. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.